Is your keyboard's number pad not working on Windows 11? In this video, we'll show you 3 easy methods to fix the issue and get your numbers back in action. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and click Control Panel. Open Ease of Access Center. Click Make the keyboard easier to use. Uncheck Turn on mouse keys and click Apply. Click OK. Turn on the numlock key on the keyboard. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. Expand Keyboards, right-click your keyboard and click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the model and click Next. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.